Now let's do the installation as if your charger was going to be on top. Obviously you would hook up the female and the male like we shown on the other section of rails. So basically you would be left with only that female part that you would actually run like this on your charger, from your charger. So in order to fit your end cap and obviously your charger, first, as you can see, we have finished to install the bottom part, the upper part of the gear rack. Right? One thing to note, you may have to re-drill that hole in order to fit with your charging station here at the top. It's possible that the holes will not line up perfectly. Just drill a small hole and use a self-tapping screw and you'll be good. Also, as you can see, you have double-sided tape here behind the charging station that eventually will peel off and just stick here on top of the rail. So basically your finished assembly, and one little thing that you will have to do and be a little careful with, the wires for the charging station, which eventually will be fit into a nice little sleeve. For now, you have to fit into that groove here on the end cap. So basically the way you want to do it, you just want to line them up here. You may use your finger and stick them in the back like such, and you come and fit it here at the top and put your end plate like such. Don't forget to remove the double-sided tape cover, and this is the result once you're done.